It tells me na may Supreme Court decision that we cannot question that she has not answered the substance.
Eto, bangayan ni Atty. Falsis ha at ni Professor Tiquia, argument versus reality, argument versus protocol. Abogado ka pa naman pero hindi ka makamove on, walang point, puro pilit ka lang. Paulit-ulit ka lang, attorney. Hindi ka makamove on no, sa Mary Grace Piatos. Parang nakalimutan mo ha na confidentiality nga yan at national security. Bakit hirap ba intindihin yun, attorney?
How can you
Of the
answer
impeachment
Attorney
complaints.
Falsis? Tell me, how do you answer?
Well, she should
outside
answer,
of the
she should
formal...
answer sino si Mary Grace Piatos.
But that is national security.
Eh bakit niya sinabi si Zaldico pinaimbestiga niya?
Oh, that is
Confidential
not-
fund.
Of course, that is
Ba't niya
national
sinabi
security
yun?
because you wanted to know what kind of corruption there is in
If
the
she can
Fed.
share that she used her confidential funds
No, that
for
is national
Zaldico,
security.
then
Read.
she should answer.
Read the joint
Sino
memorandum.
ang Mary Grace Piatos?
No.
Do you agree na sinare niya si
May
Zaldico?
tanong lang ako.
Do you
Do
agree?
I agree with what?
Do you
Pwede
agree that
magtanong?
it was proper for VP Sara to
Tawag
disclose
ko dun
that she
to.
used her confidential funds to investigate Zaldico?
Teka muna, hindi tayo
Wala
nasa...
ka rin disclose.
Teka muna.
But you cannot, you cannot release all the information because it borders national security. Oh, ma'am, ano yun?
Hindi, gusto ko lang malaman na bakit